everyone, we are at MAHAtech 2023 and we are at the stall of Green Solutions, and we are having with us Mr. Sagar, who is the director of the company and who can give us some more insights about what they are demonstrating at this year's MAHAtech. So sir, welcome, and please tell us what you are demonstrating at this show.
Our basic services is Maharashtra Pollution Control Board certificate, water treatment plant, water and wastewater treatment plant manufacturing and operation maintenance. Also we are working in green building certification, carbon footprinting, product life cycle assessment. We are the one of the consultant in Pune doing life cycle assessment and carbon footprinting, green building certification. We are serving 800 plus client in across India for the water treatment plant and all other services. Our company strength is 200 plus manpower. We have 3 located offices, one at Wakadewadi, Shivajinagar, Pune. Another one is Bhosri. There is our laboratory, and another our office is Nagpur, located at Shantinagar. We have a NABL accreditation laboratory, the name of the Green Solution Envir Agro Laboratory. We are testing their air, water, soil and food.
So how long you have been participating at MAHAtech?
We are participating in last 2 years in MAHAtech. Before that, due to the COVID, MAHAtech not in MAHAtech. We are going very high visibility in the market. So here reaches 20,000 plus visitors visited to our stall last year, and current 5,000 plus visit to our stall.
So how has been the response past 2 days, as it's the third day?
It's a good response. B2B, our basically client is B2B.
Correct.
We are serving B2B client, and near about 5,000 plus visitors visited our stall. It's a MAHAtech arrangement is very good.
All the solutions you're providing are all from design to everything. It's Make in India theme, right?
Yes, absolutely. I will show you our client list. We are client list main is TATA, Unipol. All are multiple clients we are working in. We are about 600 plus multinational clients working with us, and they are trusting with us last 12 years.
So thank you so much for your timing, and thank you so much for
Thank
giving
you
us
very much.
insight.
Thank you.
Thank you.